Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for many: how to get a replacement Visa card. Whether you've misplaced it, it's been stolen, or it's just worn out, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's make this as stress-free as possible. First off, don't panic. Start by double-checking your usual spots: your wallet, purse, or even that jacket pocket you haven't touched in ages. If it's truly gone, act quickly to protect your finances. The key is to contact your bank or Visa issuer right away. Look for the customer service number on the back of your card, your bank's app, or their website. Most banks have 24/7 support for these situations. Once you're on the line, be prepared to verify your identity. They'll likely ask for details like your account number, social security number, or recent transaction history to ensure it's really you. This step is crucial for security, so have that info handy. After verification, clearly request a replacement card. Explain what happened: lost, stolen, or damaged, and ask about any fees involved. Fees can vary, but they're often nominal, around $5 to $15, depending on your bank. Now, while you're waiting for the new card, which usually arrives in 7 to 10 business days, take advantage of digital alternatives. Use your bank's mobile app or online banking to handle transactions, transfers, or payments. If you suspect theft, report it to the authorities and set up fraud alerts on your account to monitor for suspicious activity. This proactive approach can save you from potential headaches. One more tip: always keep your card details secure and consider enabling text alerts for your account. Getting a replacement might seem daunting, but with these steps, you'll be back up and running in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.